In this video, I'm going to explain how we can extract the min and max value from a non-uniform consecutive list using Power Query. The first step, we need to convert this whole data to a table format. I already converted. Now we just need to load in a Power Query editor. After loading the data, we need to remove the change type step. We will add two columns. The one column is index column start from 0 and another column start from 1. And now we need to merge this query with the itself query. So index column 0 and the next merge column will be index column starting from 1, and we will use the left outer join as the join type. We get another column, and now we just need to extract this data column. When we merge the query, the order of the data sometimes goes wrong. So we need to sort this index column again by ascending order so that we can get original sorting order of the table. The next step is to replace this null with this column value. So we will add another column, custom column, and we will use simple if condition. If this new index column give us a null value, then we want the data column value, which is the original column, else we want the new column value. We get another new column. Now the only step, we need to subtract this original column from this new column. So what we need to do, we just add another custom column and data column, subtract the new column. What we get, 0 1 1 8 1 1. Now we need to replace this 1 1 with a null value. So what we need to do, transform replace value 1 with a null. That's okay. And if we just fill down, we get our result in this format. And what is this? 5 6 7, this is one group, 0 0, 15 16 up to 20 another group, and this is another group. We need to only keep these two columns and remove all of the other column. Now we need to group by this custom one, and just name it let's say table is the name. We want all row. We get this result, and if we see, it has a nested table. Each nested table has two columns, and we get the 5 6 7 as a separate list, 15 to 20 as a separate, and this is from 35 to 38. Now we need to extract this data column as a list. Then we will apply the list.min and max function and join them. So we will add another column. The column we will add table column. Whenever you are typing the function, don't type like table.column. It's too hard for you to select a function. Just type a table col and you will get all of the related function. Now select this function. The first condition is table as a table, so we want a nested table, so we will just select this one. And column as the text you want to extract, so our column name in this case is the data. You can see this is the data column. We get a list. If we apply the list.min function and the list.max function, we will get 5 and 7. So we will update this step a little bit more. On the first, we will just apply the list.min function. And we will join this using a dash. So I will join also in this step. And since I'm using the same function with just list.max, so instead of min, I will use max. Now there is no syntax error. If I press OK, I get the error. We cannot apply the operator and to type number and text. What we need to do here, we just need to a little bit small function apply, and this function is called text from. Text from actually convert any numerical data to a text, just like the text function on Excel we are using, and we will also apply it here. Text from. If I press OK, I will get my result. Now I need to remove all other columns and final results. If we just load this data, we will just load this data on the same sheet. If we add another pair of results, let's say 55, 56, 57, and hit a refresh key, we will get our result updated. That is all about. I hope you like it. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, support it so that I can make further video for you. Thank you so much.